You searched how to buy shares of Crane Harbor Acquisition Corp. This is a special purpose acquisition company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CHAC. This video is educational and not financial advice. Always do your own research. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CHAC to find Crane Harbor Acquisition Corp. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct security. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Double-check the company name and NASDAQ ticker to confirm it is the right listing. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. Once the order is filled, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. The eToro link is in the description if you want to sign up or learn more.